Hi everyone, welcome to Alice's Kitchen. It's back to school time. I don't know if I should be excited or if I should be sad, but anyway, that's besides the fact. I am here to share with you just some simple tricks and hacks that can save you time when it comes to lunchbox preparation. So I'm going to be sharing with you the things that I do to save myself time. So every Sunday night in preparation for the new week, I cut up things like my veggies, so my carrots, my cucumbers, my capsicum or red pepper, whatever you call it. And what I do is I then put it in a container, which I fill up with water, and I'll store it in the fridge. So what this does is it keeps the vegetables fresh for like the whole week. So all I'll be doing is each morning or the night before, when I prep the lunchbox, I simply take my veggies out from the container that will be the fridge. I've done the same for cucumbers, and I'm just going to cut up some peppers, which I will show you how to store as well. And I'll just quickly show you like a quick demo of a lunchbox that I am going to make. So with your veggies, in case you're just wondering how to do it, it's simply cutting them into like sticks. You can cut them however way you like, but sticks are easy for my boys to just pick and eat. Some people prefer it with the skin or without. It's the same way you can store it. So I'll just show you if we are removing the skin. And once that's done, it's the same thing, cut it in the middle, and then you want to do the sticks. So I try and use a knife that's not too sharp. So now I'll just show you quickly with the storage. I went for one that doesn't break. You can use glass for this, but because I've got little hands that touch, I've gone with one that doesn't break. So this water that you put inside, you can change it maybe on day 3, then just lock it to make sure it's airtight. And now, because peppers have got water in them, you don't want them to spoil. So what you do is you wrap them up in paper towel. And then I've got a Ziploc bag here, just a small one. You can use a big one. And I'm just going to put a little bit of water in here just to make it wet. And so once I've got my water, I will zip it so it's shut. So this is ready to go into the fridge. I will store it in the vegetable tray in the fridge. And to add to what I'll be putting in the lunchbox, I've got a little tray here where I keep some nibbles. So these are just things that I buy from the shops that they can nibble on in their lunchboxes. I've got sultanas as well, and I've got yogurts that come in pouches. Of course, these are kept in the fridge. So this goes in the pantry, and they know to just take one each morning and put it in their bag. So it's one of these, and then maybe a box of sultanas or something else. And then there'll be fruit as well that goes into the lunchbox. The fruit obviously stays in the fruit basket. So for things like strawberries, blueberries, I wash them up the night before, put them in the fridge. So in the morning, it's just putting them into the lunchbox. So now I'm going to show you a lunchbox that I am about to make. So I've got with me here some mini wraps. You know your family, you know what they like, so you make this according to what they like. So on the wrap, I'm just going to have some cheese, some ham. So once I have done that, I am going to roll it and close it tight. That's it. And then now I am going to cut it into mini slices so it's easy to just pick up. Then I'll grab my lunchbox and then I will try and arrange it in a nice way so that when they are eating, it looks appealing. So this is where I can then chuck some of the things, like I can put a box of sultanas if I'm not adding anything else, and then I'll pop this to the side. Now comes my things that I have been storing in the fridge. All I do is I'll just take a pair of tongs out of the water, and I'll take some carrots, and by the time they eat, they'll still be cool, or at least cold, because this water is cold, remember, and it's been in the fridge, so that will be nice and cold. So done with that, this is what the lunchbox will look like, and they will also get something extra to munch and to snack on. So this is a lunchbox for my baby ready to go to school.